Basically, yeah, the life is each job until unless you deliver and perform, you will be put aside. When I was JDWE, I was the number 2 there in the weapon directorate, which is responsible for the induction of the weapon systems. And prior to that, I was fleet electrical officer in Bombay. As a fleet electrical officer, I did the feasibility study for the installation of the barrage system. I went to DWE as the number 2 there. Then I was resolving the contractual issues because by the time I went there, the system was already acquired. But you acquire a system, whole lot of things are there. There are a whole lot of challenges there. The growth of work takes place. The growth of some new requirement comes up for the integration of the system with the other systems. Moved to the Directorate of Design, I had the responsibility of installing first of the barrage system on Byas, INS Byas, one of the frigates which were built by GRSC. So right from induction to that, then I went for the factory acceptance trial wherein we said, why are we struck with this barrage system? We should move over to the new generation barrage system, long distance barrage system. Fortunately, put up an excellent report which was accepted by the Navy, and therein the Navy went for the induction of this long range barrage system which are being fitted on the new generation ships now. So you see, basically the Navy is a service where if you have done right, and when you look back 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, you can see the various things, how Navy has evolved, and you can see your footprint at various places. The decisions, what you have taken, the reports, what you have submitted, what you recommended, what you fought for, ultimately has found its way. Basically, it is if your vision is clear, concepts are clear, you don't have any agenda, you find the positive suggestions are accepted and they become a part of the system. And that is what gives you a maximum satisfaction.